This quick tutorial will show you how to find books in the library. We can search for books from the library's homepage. If you know what book you want, you could run a title search or an author search, but when you don't have a particular book in mind, a keyword search is usually going to work the best. Let's say I wanted to write an essay in which I would argue that McDonald's makes kids fat. If I plug those keywords into my search, McDonald's, kids, and fat, and run my search, I don't get any results. When you do keyword searching, you only get results if items have the exact words that you've searched for. So if you ever run a search and don't get any hits, or you get very few hits, think about whether there might be some synonyms or alternative terms that you could search for. In this example, fast food would be a good alternative for McDonald's. Obesity would be a good alternative for fat. And children would be a good alternative for kids. A nice trick that will work in the catalog is to put an asterisk after the root of a word that could end in a number of different ways. I'll put an asterisk after the D in child. This will make it so that I get any word that starts with those letters. Now, instead of just children, I'll get children, but also childhood or child. And now when I run my search, I've got several hits instead of none. I'll look through my results and click on any title that looks like a possibility. I'll click on this book, Food by Jan Grover. This next screen gives us a little more information about the book. From that first screen, it was very difficult to know if this would actually be useful to us or not. But here we get the table of contents, and this makes it look like there could be some stuff in this book that would be useful to us. So if I decide that I want this book, the information I need is right here. I can see there is a copy of this book at ARC. It's up on the third floor. It is available. And to get it, I would just jot down this call number and use the call number to find the book on the third floor. If you're not familiar with libraries and call numbers, please don't be shy about asking a librarian to help find the book. There is also a copy of this book available at Sac City, so if the ARC copy was checked out, I could click on this request button and request that the Sac City copy be sent to ARC. Having a book sent here from another school typically takes about 2 to 3 days. That was a very quick introduction to using the library's catalog. There are several other ways to search, so if you're ever looking for books and you're not having success, please ask a librarian. You'll find all the different ways that you can contact a librarian under the Get Help link on the library's homepage.